In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask text in Canva. Masking text is a simple way to make your designs look more professional by placing an image inside a letter or word, so the picture shows through the shape of the text. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to do this on your own. First, open your design in Canva. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the tab labeled Elements, unlike it, and click on it. This is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, frames, and more. We're going to use a special type of frame designed for letters. Once you're in the Elements panel, go to the search bar at the top and type in letter frame. Press enter. Canva will show you a collection of alphabet frames, each one shaped like a different letter. These are what allow images to appear inside the text. Now, find the specific letter frame you want to use. For example, if you're working with the letter E, scroll until you see the E-shaped frame. Click on that letter frame to add it to your design. It will appear in the middle of your canvas, and you can resize or move it just like any other element. With your letter frame on the canvas, make sure it is selected so you can clearly see its outline and handles. This confirms that you're about to place an image inside the correct element. Next, return to the left-hand toolbar and click on the Uploads tab. This is where you'll find any images you've already uploaded to Canva, such as photos, textures, or branded graphics. If you need a new image, you can upload it from your computer here as well. From your uploads, choose the photo you want to appear inside the letter. Click on it once to highlight it. Then, while holding down your mouse, drag the image over to the letter frame on your canvas. When you hover directly over the letter, you'll see the frame react slightly, indicating it's ready to accept the image. Release your mouse, and the photo will automatically snap inside the letter frame. From here, you can double-click the letter frame to adjust the positioning of the image within it, making sure the most important part of the picture is visible. And that's it, you've successfully masked text in Canva.